How to send high quality photos on Messenger. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is Techno Sensei. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I am going to guide you how to send high quality photos on Messenger. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open Messenger app. Launch the Messenger app on your device. Open a conversation. Select the conversation where you want to send photos. Choose the photo. Tap on the photo icon usually represented by a picture or camera icon located at bottom of the screen. Select a photo. Choose the photo you want to send from your gallery or take a new photo. Enable HD photo option. Before sending the photo, tap on the HD or gear icon if available. This will give you the option to send the photo in high quality or standard quality. Select high quality. Send the photo. Tap the send button to share the photo. And here you go, it's done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in comment below and let us know what you like to see next. See you in the next video.